What's up, guys? It's Joey Mess. What?
Is this not a live stream?
Anyway, guys, what's up? It's Joey Mess here and Avery RS.
Hi!
And today we're going to be rebuilding the lowest overall team in Madden 20, which is the Dolphins. Let me show you guys. Sorry, guys, that last video had no volume because music was in the game. And we had volume out. But they're 68 overall, as you guys saw, low overall. Here's their team. Kenny Stills and their left tackle are their best players.
But look at this line. We need to do something about this.
This is going to be really hard, guys.
We need to do something about
go
this
to
line.
defense.
Like, for real. Oh, yeah, defense.
Oh, whatever. Just go free agents. So, guys.
The only thing
Mike Daniels, that's a good pickup. There are a lot of good players in free agency, guys.
We're going to free agency and then go to the regular season. And then we're going to some trades and go to the midseason.
Yeah, so we also have Eric Berry. I'm just telling you guys, if you have Madden 20, you'll know that the start of the preseason, there's so many good players. Yes, we should grab everyone. We have no people.
I know, but then we'll need to cut a lot. But that's okay. Who cares?
Matt Bryant, good kicker.
The thing is,
Des Bryant, we got another wide receiver.
That's the thing.
Yeah, we can. Alright. He's going to be our starting tight ends. There's so many people we can use right now, guys.
He's not even that great. We're still going to pick him up.
Yeah. We're just picking up everybody at this point. All they're getting is 1 year, so we're going to have to sign all of them back. Well, at least the people we want to. He's probably going to retire.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, I would get him. Well, we'll get back to you guys after we're done signing free agents. Guys, we just went from a 68 to a 72. So we got no quarterback. We still have the quarterback. But we got LeGarrette Blount for our backup running back. We got Dez Pierre Garcon. We got Austin Seferian-Jenkins up there. And on to the defense, we got
Antonio Gates,
yeah.
too.
And on the defense,
we still need to get some line from free
we got a lot of
agency.
people. We got Mason Foster for our starter. We got Eric Berry. We got Morris Claiborne. We got Mike Daniels, William Hayes. This team went up a lot. So, we're going to sim the preseason, actually, and...
Should we just get a line real quick for free agency?
What?
Should we get a line real quick for free
line?
agency? Yeah, a line. We need a line.
Hold on.
Look at this garbage.
Hold on. I don't think there's much good linemen. Hold on. Go to defense. Make Fitzpatrick a corner again.
Ew.
Because he was a corner his rookie year. Make him a corner, see what happens. I want to keep this guy for this franchise. I don't know about you. You?
Hello,
You want to keep him? Develop him?
if he does good.
Okay, so go. Alright, so he's an 81. So we this guy can be put to good use now. So yeah, we have
He
two
can't.
80 overall.
I have a question.
Oh,
Should
you
we
should
make
put
corner
Rashad
one?
Jones or Eric Berry at corner too. I don't think we need both of them. I mean, if you want him. I'm not making all the calls. You're the one with the
Should we make
controller.
him a corner?
You're the one with the controller. We could try him and then try someone else. Alright, guys, we figured it out. So we tried moving Glover. He went down to a 77. We tried Rashad, and he's an 80. And then we tried Eric Berry, and he's an 85. So he's our starting corner already. Who is that?
Oh, I don't know.
So Avery's going to make Rashad Jones back to a strong safety. And then we're going
our
to...
defense will actually not be that bad.
Yeah, and then they're going to have to... and then we're going to have to...
Well, you know what, Joey?
Sim to the regular...
We should get Larry Fitzgerald.
Okay, yeah. But hold up. Let me finish. We're going to sim to a regular season, and then we're going to make trades. So, we meet you there, right?
In the midseason, yes.
No, regular season.
Oh, yeah!
Alright, so we're at the regular season. Set your season goal. 4 wins.
Yeah,
We'll be happy with 4 wins.
Let's go with 7.
No, we cannot win 7. You're going to get us fired. if you don't complete our goal. Upgrade players.
Okay.
A lot of people.
86. Yeah,
Okay.
I don't really care about them.
Okay.
Imagine an 86 Eric Berry at cornerback.
Yeah.
He's already upgraded.
Alright, I have an idea for a trade. First of all, we have
We're gonna get Larry.
But here, try Brady. Brady's old. If we could get production out of him this first season, because
Right, is he possible though?
I don't know. I've never tried it.
Oh, he's green. What's that? Like, that's nothing.
Guys, we tried. We can't get Brady. We tried. I don't know if he's possible, but that would be a good pickup.
Don't ask why we tried to trade our best lineman or our good lineman.
Let's see how this works.
Oh my!
Okay, we
crap.
can get Drew Brees. We can get.
Was a third rounder.
Okay, so put in the third round. Put in that new linebacker. Yeah, sure. Put in that new linebacker that we had, and we'll see how that goes. And don't put anyone else in. We'll see how that goes. Okay, all right. We need one more player. No, we can't do third round, right? And then fourth rounder. And then fourth. Yeah, fourth round. Yeah.
And there we go. We just got Drew Brees. All right, guys. So we just gave up a first-round pick for next year, Rosen and Jerome Baker for Alvin Kamara. So we just traded for a very underrated player, Kyle Van Noy, for a 75 overall D tackle and LeGarrette Blount. We just got a young Quentin Nelson, 87 overall, very easy to get with a 4th-round pick, and Nick Perry. So now we have a left guard. So we just used the 2nd-round pick, Dwayne Allen, our 3rd-string tight end, and Rashad Jones to get Travis Frederick at center. Rashad Jones is getting old. He's going to regress, so we were planning on getting a different strong safety.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Our team just went to a 76. Check out the lineup, Avery. So, quarterback is now Drew Brees, Alvin Kamara running back, along with
We didn't really change
Drake.
that at all.
Wide receivers, we didn't change at all. And we only got left side of the line
Yeah, so that's
and
what
center.
they hopefully run.
Yep, and those guys are doo-doo. We need to get people. We didn't trade for any tight
We
ends,
should get Larry.
if you want. But
Really?
go to defense real quick. Our corners didn't change really, except I don't think anything really changed in defense.
No thing.
So it's
Except for Kiki going to starter.
our defense is kind of a low point, but not too much. So hopefully they can
Hold up.
hold together. Oh, we got Van Noy. That's a change.
Yeah, should we put someone here?
And yeah,
Should we put
put
him?
Glover.
Glover? Oh, yes.
Yes.
So guys, this
Guys,
is how easy it is to
This
get Larry.
is we just gave a 67 center for Larry, an 84, but Larry turns to like an 88 at tight end. Watch. So, tight end, save changes. He was an 84, remember. He's an 88. So he's our starting tight end, 88 overall. We're going to send him mid-season, and we're going to show you guys how we did. Right?
Yeah.
I think we did pretty good. We went from like a 68 to a 77. So yeah.
Here we go, boys.
What?
Never mind. Haha, you can't zoom it in.
Guys, week 8, we are advancing to mid-season. We are 4-3. That's pretty good.
We are second in the AFC East.
That's pretty good. So we are
12. That's actually
no, we're not
bad.
12. That's in the whole NFL. We're like we're in 5th place. So that's pretty good. So we're doing pretty good right now. We're going to upgrade our players, and then we're going to sim to the
Wait,
playoffs.
why are they here?
Who?
Why are they first?
Oh, I have no idea.
AFC.
Yo, guys, we just beat the Pats in week 17. Also, go over. We have the best record in the NFC East, guys. Look at the team. Nothing has changed. We just upgraded. That's it. Our players are, we need to upgrade all these players.
Yeah.
He's going to be a 90, 94. Oh my God. Look at the defense.
67.
Look at the defense. Bro, this team.
80?
See, this is what I mean about Fitzpatrick. Eric Berry's injured. Oh, that's not good. Hopefully,
One more.
Hopefully, yes. So he's gonna be here next playoff game. But guys,
Our first playoff game.
Oh yeah. All right, go to upgrade players. Yo, I did not expect this.
Wait, who?
A lot of people.
92. We have a better record than
So guys, we're against the Chiefs. That's not good. Although we have a better record, they have Patrick Mahomes, Tyreek,
Wait, is any? I gotta check if someone.
Tyrann Mathieu, Travis Kelce. This is gonna be a toughest challenge because, I mean, Pat Mahomes.
Okay, no, just cross your fingers. Don't care. We lost.
We
got
lost.
demolished.
That's sad. But guys, just the fact that we made it, I'm proud of. I think next year we could have a chance to win it all. Just the fact that we made it, sure. Just the fact that we made it, I'm kind of proud of. I say we draft a quarterback first. Drew Brees is gonna retire soon. I say we draft a quarterback.
Okay.
Strong arm. Alright, guys. Yeah, we're gonna scout some quarterbacks.
Okay.
That's pretty good. Late, mid fourth rounder.
That might be a stud.
That's a stud.
You might. Okay.
Man, it's hot.
Let's hope we get a second rounder. Third rounder.
Nice. Guys, we're having a bit of struggle with the cap space. So just for the sake of this video, to have a little more fun, we're gonna turn the salary cap off so we can have more of a super team, you know?
Not
And
really.
so we can re-sign people. That's basically the whole
We're
point
turning
of
it
this.
off at free agency, though, right? So we don't just get every single player.
No,
Okay, we'll get everyone then.
everyone has no salary cap. I mean, everyone, yeah. Salary cap off.
Bye-bye salary cap.
This video is gonna be a lot more
What's the point
fun.
of you? For us, at least. Now we can negotiate our players.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so going into free agency, we have Kareem Hunt. So we're gonna try to
Definitely.
get him.
Definitely.
Back up, though. I want Hunt. I mean,
Yeah.
Kamara's our guy.
It's still gonna be really good, though.
I know, back up. Kyle Fuller. We need a corner.
We need a good corner. I mean, Eric Berry.
90 overall, starting development, you know. Kyle Fuller, 7 years. Austin Hooper, 87 tight end. We need a tight end. See,
He's
guys, I
young,
recommend you put salary cap off. I do it with all my franchises because it's so much fun. Miles Jack, middle linebacker,
He's the
bro.
one we need, boy.
I know.
From this close,
Njoke.
this is really close.
Njoke. He's good. Get him.
I mean,
Oh, we don't need him.
we can put him at left end.
Yeah. Whatever. We don't care if we get him or not.
Yes, we do. We have all salary cap. What's the point of What's the point of not using it, huh?
Dunny. No, we don't need him.
Dummy.
Shazier. We need him for 2 middle linebackers.
Yeah.
Although he's getting worse.
All right, we got
Miles
him.
Jack.
That's really
We
good.
didn't get him.
Who
We got
cares?
Kareem though. We got Njoke.
Then we got both the corners. We got Ryan Chase. We got Mama. We got Nelson. We got Red Tackle. We got Tyson.
Oh.
We got
Wait,
one
who
rejection.
didn't accept? Who didn't
We got
accept?
one rejection, and that was him.
Oh, we don't need you.
I mean, we kind of do. We
He's
only
only
have
like an
70.
80, bro.
We only have a 70. I just did that because I don't care.
So we're gonna draft a quarterback. But we just got him.
And now all we need is him.
Now we have a bunch of 80 overall receivers. We have an 89 tight end now. We just need a right guard for our line. Kamara and Hunt. On defense, we have
We got this.
Miles Jack
this
and
is
Ryan
beautiful.
Shazier.
We have 2 Kiki Alonso.
This guy improved. I'm glad we didn't trade him. We got Kyle Fuller, Fitzpatrick. We have a lot of good
We got
corners.
2 of them. 2 of them.
We got a lot of good corners. We're gonna go on depth chart and switch some stuff around for the specialists and stuff.
Yes, we
Alright guys, we have the 28th pick in the draft. Hopefully we can get one of our
Here we
guys.
go.
Kareem and Alright, so we gotta go
we
for
don't
a
need any
quarterback.
linemen.
It's a quarterback.
Him.
Well, I mean, which would you rather go for? I mean, he has less throw power, but he has more accuracy, short. I don't know. Check out the combine grades.
3.
No, check out what they got, though. Alright. Go to the next guy.
Good.
Okay, go to the next guy. I don't know. Tough decision.
Let's just go with him.
Alright. Let's try him.
I think we should.
Let's try him. 65 overall.
Yay!
If only we knew what those other guys would be.
Stop laughing.
Alright guys, so I wanted to show you our team. Sorry I didn't at the start of the season. We already played 2D because Avery rudely simmed 2 weeks. So we're gonna show you the new team. This is our starting quarterback.
He's good.
We couldn't find anyone else. Our quarterback was a bust.
Don't ask questions.
Trey Boston. All
This
this
is actually a
pretty
really
much,
good defense.
it's a good defense, pretty much the same. Miles Jack and Ryan Shazier, pretty good team.
Battling it out.
That's the team we're gonna send to midseason.
Yeah.
We're 3-2.
Why are we in the midseason?
That's disappointing. We're 3-2. All right.
We're about to
See,
school now, boys.
we just beat the Pats, and what's our record?
Okay,
5-2.
but
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, so
it's a really good lineup. If this was our whole starting lineup, that would be amazing.
yes, it would be. Playoffs. Are we here? Go to our record. 10-6. Okay.
Best in the league. Look at the Pats.
Not best in the league. The best in the AFC East.
Okay, whatever.
Upgrade players. Okay, we're upgrading a lot of players
Oh, yeah.
going into the
94.
playoffs. Okay, upgrade players. We're against the Bills. I feel confident.
Upgraded players every week. That will really help our team.
Okay, Avery, we better win this. This is the Bills. Okay, we're gonna lose to the Browns. Watch us lose to the Browns.
The Browns are good though.
Yeah, watch us lose to the Browns.
They got OBJ. Who do we have?
Watch them break our hearts.
Tell us if we made it.
I knew it! We always
Wait,
get
the
disappointed.
49ers and the
And the Browns.
you mentioned Pro Bowl.
Bro. Yay, we're coaching in the Pro Bowl. I don't care. I want to win a Super Bowl so we can stop rebuilding this team. James White, we don't need him. Marlon Mack, we don't need him. All these running backs, man. We don't need anyone. Okay, so we're just going to predict record because Avery wants to. I'm predicting 11-5.
12-4.
Okay.
Let's see.
8-8. I don't think we made it.
Imagine not even making it to the playoffs.
That's disappointing. Like, seriously, everyone's here. Our receivers are going down. We need more receivers. Our line's going up. Trash.
No.
I was looking at the right outside linebacker and left outside linebacker, sorry.
Oh.
Our linebacker stinks. I mean, our corners are good. That's a strong point.
Huh?
Guys, Roquan Smith is there. Right?
Uh-huh.
This free agency's good. Who cares? It's Harrison Smith. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I've never seen a team relocate on their own, but the Chargers have decided to relocate and become the Bats.
For what?
So now the Bats are in our league. Avery just traded a first-round pick that we could have used for a superstar for an old Von Miller. Alright, 87 overall team. We got N'Keal Harry in a trade you guys didn't see. Still good running backs, still good receivers. Now on the defensive side is where it really changed because we got Trey Boston to a superstar X Factor, Kendall Floyd to a superstar X Factor. Our corners are still really good. Those guys are pretty good. Our linebackers are really good this year, and our safeties are good. So we're gonna try one more sim today. 12-3-1. Okay.
So this might be the year.
Go to our upgrade. Look at all the people.
I'm just putting up the people who matter right now. Kendall Fuller, Kareem Hunt, Von Miller, Quentin Nelson, Hooper, Fitzpatrick, a lot of people.
Steelers, who we tied with our last game.
No.
We better win this, guys. Right, Foofy? Give us good luck. As Bengals, bro? What does their team look like? They have to be good. Mixon, Jesse Bates, 90. We should beat them.
Our team is better.
They're good. We should beat them. We should win, right? Right?
We should do this.
Right, Foofy? If you're still with us right now.
Joey, if we win this, we're in the Super Bowl.
How? Bro, this... I don't know what to say. At this point, I'm just saying that the game doesn't want the Dolphins to win.
I know.
Like, at this point, the game just automatically makes the
Our
Dolphins...
team is great.
It just makes the Dolphins not win. We're gonna keep doing it then, guys. Yay.
Not today, though. Tomorrow.
So tomorrow we'll continue. What's up, guys? It's the next day. So we're gonna try to rebuild this team and hopefully we'll win first year. Because I don't want to do this much longer. What about you? Same.
I want to win.
Let's show you guys the team. We are now an 87, 89 offense, 91 defense. Nick Mullins is 76. Okay. Why is Kareem Hunt our fullback? We should put Geiske there. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Keneal Harris, our main wide receiver, 87. Then we got Aguilar, Washington, and Parker.
Where are you?
We lost Kenny Stills.
Who cares?
We still have pretty much the same offensive line, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so. Defense, we got Superstar X Factor now, Trey Boston. Kendall Fuller. Mika Fitzpatrick. I knew we should have started him and kept him. Sorry. Xavier Howard. And then our other corners are trash. So our main three corners
Wow, we
have
got
to
him
step
for
up.
no reason.
Whatever. It's fine. Look at our linebackers. That's a good linebacking core. Plus we have an old Harrison Smith. Only an A1, but still. So that's what we're going to be running with this year. Upgrade players real quick. Hopefully we're in the place.
Mullins, how much did he go?
Go to Nick Mullins. I want to see how much he's going up.
1.
2. 12
Last
and
time.
4. Sim. The end of the
First
game.
teeth get dressed, then you can
We get
play
the
full
first
stop.
touchdown.
No. No, no, no.
Oh.
Come on, T. No!
Well, we're only getting field goals, man. Their defense isn't that great. Let's go. Let's go. Final touchdown! Let's go! We just beat the Chiefs.
Yeah, guys. So, we did beat the Chiefs by a touchdown.
Yo! How'd you get on my phone?
I don't know. Oh, no!
Now we're against the Browns.
Again!
Yay.
We need to check them out. Because we were against them last time, too.
Notice how our team went up to an 89 because of the upgrades we had. Look at this team. There's no way they beat us. Holy crap. Go to their roster. Just look at their roster. Doesn't even matter about their positions. 99, 99, 99, 94, 94. 3 99s. And 2 94s. That's crazy. We're probably going to lose.
We're going to lose.
We're going to lose. I'm sorry.
Look
Guys,
at everything else.
we're going to have to go for another year. Guys, we just beat the Browns.
And then we're against the
Upgrade players,
Panthers.
upgrade players, upgrade players. A7 Cam.
Okay.
Okay. I feel like we should shut them down, you.
This isn't a match.
We drive down and get a touchdown. We take it back. We get another touchdown. They get 2.
Safety.
Bro, this is crazy.
What's happening?
They scored. They scored. They scored. They scored. We scored 3. Come on, team. Come on. Guys,
This must be game, right?
this is it. This is it. We won. Ow.
What's this? What's this? What's this?
Thanks to my shoulder on that. Yes. Oh my god.
Oh, he's crying again.
Second. Bro, we built such a good team. Nick Mullins!
Hey!
MVP!
He better become an 80. I don't want
Uh-huh.
to hold it while we...
I don't know. I just know he's gonna use it. Look at this. Bro, this is a super
Joey.
team. Let's go.
Joey.
That's what I like to see. What?
After this, do you want...
From a 68 to an 88, guys. That's what I like to see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we'll see you guys next time. One more glance at the Super Bowl winning team that we built. Look at Nelson, 95. All these players, just crazy seeing
Look
how
at
they
this
went
man
up.
right
It's just
here.
crazy seeing how they go up, 98. Mullins is 79. They got better. Boston,
He got better too.
Fuller, Fitzpatrick.
Oh no.
Our right end isn't that great, but our linebackers,
Did we win without him?
I think we did. Our linebackers were solid. That's it, guys.
Overall.
Hope you enjoyed.
Peace.